Hey guys, I am back here at Phil Long Ford Service Center, and no, it's not anything bad with my truck. It's actually the opposite. I actually am getting my 30,000 mile service, and I got it today for free. And I'm going to show you how I did that, or I'm going to tell you about how I did that right now. So whenever I came in, so it's a 30,000 mile service. So this is the third time that I'd be coming in, and basically the first two were free because I bought the truck here. So I knew that those were going to be free. So I'm like, okay, great. But I was a little apprehensive about coming in on the third one because I'm like, how much is it going to cost to service this electric vehicle? Well, turns out that's one of the benefits of having an electric vehicle. It hardly costs anything for service. But I'm going to tell you how. So instead of coming in and saying, I just want the 30,000 mile service, do everything, I actually bought new tires, which was a downside. We already talked about that. If you watch the other videos, basically the tread kind of wore down on the outside a little bit. So I bought the other tires, and so I don't need them to rotate them here, and that's part of the service. They would normally rotate, so I just say I don't need a rotation. So the service advisor just told me, really, all you're needing is a 25-point inspection. And I'm like, okay, that sounds good, because that's what it is. It's a 25-point inspection plus the tire rotation. And then so basically he's like, you know what, we'll just do that for you for free, no charge. I'm just like, are you serious? So they gave me 30,000 mile service, nothing. Man, if I had a gas vehicle, diesel vehicle coming in for 30,000 mile service, you're spending like hundreds of dollars sometimes. It's like for all the different things that they work on. So there's one caveat though. As they were doing this, they did find that my cabin air filter needed to be replaced. No biggie. And some people are like, you could probably just replace that yourself. Yeah, while I was here, I just went ahead and had them do that. That was about $36 for the part, and they put it in, so they charged me a little bit more. So my total out the door was $72. A little bit much for a cabin air filter, but I just was happy that's all I had to pay, and that's it. You're looking at electric vehicles thinking it's going to cost a lot of money. I'm actually really excited. So far, the only maintenance that it's actually cost me is this air filter and new windshield wipers. That's it. That is it. New tires. But that I would have had to get on by now on another on a gas vehicle, on a gas truck anyway. So man, I was just excited. I wanted to let you know. I hope that y'all are celebrating with me. So the way to save money on maintenance on your vehicle, perfect hack for you, get an electric F-150 Lightning or an electric vehicle, because man, the maintenance for me is really cheap. Now, they did inspect the brakes. That was something else I was going to tell you. They did inspect the brakes. That's part of it, which I was curious about. So let me tell you here, the brakes have gone down so minute. They're like, it's hardly even noticeable. So in 30,000 miles, it's only gone down like one, or yeah, just a little bit over one. I think it starts out at 9, and I think it's right between 7 and 8 on, and I'm just like, wow, that's crazy. So, and I'm sure the reason why that's happened is I've been doing all these different tests, and I'm testing all the different drive modes. But if you get an electric vehicle, use one pedal drive sport mode, where it uses a lot of the regenerative braking. It saves brakes. There's been hardly anything. Now, some of you may think there's been some things that you've had to get replaced, like recalls and things like that. Well, all those are free. And yes, I have had recalls, but it's still no cost for me. So anyways, I was just excited, wanted to celebrate with you guys. So yeah, get an electric vehicle. And then if your dealer is trying to charge you a bunch of money, go find another dealer, because they're just trying to rip you off, really. Anyway, so join me on the next video, and I'll keep showing you how my experience is going owning the Lightning. 30,000 miles so far. Woohoo! See you next time.